What is a touchless trash can? A touchless garbage can is a sort of container that opens its lid on its own as a person approaches it, eliminating the need for individuals to touch the container. By using a touchless trash can, you can gain a lot of benefits. Why we need a touchless trash can? Consider a garbage can in a public area as an example. If the trash can's lid is typically dirty, people tend to avoid touching it to open the lid. The majority of people leave the waste on the lid and go. As a result, animals like crows, dogs, and cats will drag trash on the road, etc. As a result, the surroundings will be unpleasant and unhygienic. What are the advantages that can be obtained by using a touchless trash can? 1. Easy to lit. 2. Since we are not required to touch the bin to lit, we can prevent the transmission of diseases that are brought on by bacteria. 3. Since the trash can is only opened when necessary, it is possible to prevent animals from taking trash out of the can. 4. Can keep a good, pleasant environment even close to the trash can since the lid remains closed unless someone approaches the lid. 5. Long-lasting for years and years. This factor might depend on how many times the lid is open per day. 6. The garbage can is simple to empty because the bucket can be removed with ease. CAD design of a touchless trash can for university projects. Prototype of a touchless trash can for university project. Basic parts of the touchless trash can. IR sensor. An infrared sensor module is an electronic device which consists an infrared emitter and a receiver with an electronic circuit. It can sense a nearby object by detecting reflected infrared from the object and change the status of its output. Monostable 555 timer. It's a timer using 555 IC. It is used in this project to delay the closing of the lid after a predefined time, otherwise the lid will close immediately after the object move away. The value of capacitor and resistor chosen for delay of 5 seconds in this timer circuit. The input to this circuit is the infrared sensor and output is to a relay circuit which perform the open and closing of the lid. Relay circuit. The opening and closing of the lid is controlled by 2 relays and 2 limit switches. One relay for opening and other for closing. Relay model. MY2N 12 volts DC. These relays are with 2 normally open and 2 normally closed contacts and 12 volts DC coil. Cam and limit switches. The limit switches are to limit the opening angle and closing position of lid. The switches are triggered by the cam attached to the door hinge pin. So, by adjusting the cams, the opening and closing positions can be controlled.
Thank you for listening, and see you in next video.